Hi guys, this is your dost and host Avantika, and if you are new to this channel is all about lifestyle, artwork and my small business. If you are a small business owner, please stay tuned to this channel because I'm going to do a pop-up very soon and I'm going to give all the details, all the spicy news about sales and how you can get your sales on this channel very soon. So today's video is specifically about, if you guys are following me on Instagram, which is just linked here, you guys know that I've got this beautiful Samsung S Lite tablet which comes with a stylus pen, and I got it in the shade Angora blue. I don't know how to pronounce it, and so I have made this video specially for all the students who are planning to get a tablet and are very confused on what you guys should buy. So I got this tablet at 20,200 from the Amazon Great Indian Festival. I guess you guys should definitely avail the discount that is going on because the prices are very low. My tablet is of 64 GB. It also comes in 128 GB also, and I didn't need much of the storage thing. If you guys need the storage one, you should definitely go for the 128 GB one. It also comes in a SIM card version. I got the Wi-Fi version of it. That's why it cost me 20,200, and the normal 128 GB costs around 30,000 ish. But in the Amazon Great Indian Sale, you can get it at a much lower price. I'll link down the tablet model in the description, and let's get started with the review. So I had to open the tablet before shooting this video because I got the delivery from Amazon. I had to check it, but I kept it exactly same way as it came so that I can show you guys how it was packed and what was my experience during the tablet opening. I was so excited. I was so excited about it. I was waiting for this tablet for about a week, and Amazon did the delivery late because it's very high in demand right now. You can see some spots on the screen because I have used it a day before shooting this, but anyway, you guys can see it. It came with a extension cord, a charger, and the S Pen was inside it, and also it came with a pin. I don't know if I'll be requiring a pin or not, but actually I won't be requiring a pin because my one is not with an SIM card, but I'll keep it. It may be needed later. I didn't get a case right now, but I'm planning on getting a case and also an accessory, a cute accessory for the S Pen. was editing the video and I was reminded that I forgot to mention one important point, that my tablet is working perfectly, but the battery life is a bit low than the Samsung mobile phone that I'm using. But overall, the performance of the pen, as you saw while I was gaming, it was very much smooth. And also while drawing, I basically bought the tablet for my designing purpose, and the drawing is excellent. And basically the overall speed of the tablet is good. Maybe my opinion can change after a few months, so please stay tuned till that much time, so that I can give another review. So let's continue with the video. Thanks for watching this much of the video, and if you guys liked it, please subscribe to the channel and give it a thumbs up. It'll help me grow. And the next video will be about the inventory that I'll be taking in my next pop-up, and as you guys can guess it, it is Mrs. Wilson's pop-up on 4th and 5th November. If you guys are from Kolkata, please join me for the pop-up. And for the next, till the next video, bye bye.